Hey guys, how are you doing? In this episode, we are going to see how to fix your network provider may charge for SMS to activate iCloud error on iPhone. If you have recently bought an iPhone or moving from older iPhone to new iPhone, and when you try to configure the eSIM or when you move the physical SIM to the new iPhone, sometimes based on the network, we may encounter an error, and frequently we start to see such message like this one. Your network provider may charge for SMS message used to activate iCloud. Even after clicking on OK, you will be keep on seeing this error either automatically or every time when you navigate to settings and iCloud page. If you are also getting similar error, the very first thing you need to check is navigate to settings and then scroll to messages and check whether iMessage is active or not. It is not just about the toggle is showing in green color. You need to check the below description area, which clearly gives the details about iMessage service. For some users, if they are repeatedly seeing this iCloud, your network provider may charge for SMS error, then the problem could be the iMessage or FaceTime is not fully active on their network. For me in India with Airtel network, if the SIM card doesn't have a minimum balance of 20 rupees, then activating iMessage, whether it is a new SIM or used SIM or I have performed the reset network settings or all settings, then I need to activate it once again following the tips I have provided in one of our video. I'll leave a link to that in the description and in the first comment. That may be helpful to you. So similar to that, this problem could happen with any network when you move from old to new iPhone or when you change the SIM card to different iPhones. So if you're seeing instead of the terms about the iMessage, the policy links and everything like we have seen before, if it says waiting for activation in light gray color below this iMessage send and receive settings, then you need to tap on it to turn it off and again tap on it to turn it on, and again the network will try to, the iMessage service or the FaceTime service will try to activate it using the network. And when the activation is done, you will not be seeing this sort of the progress loading icon all the time with your particular SIM number or with your Apple ID. You will be seeing tick marks on all the available, the start conversation number sources that you have enabled, and then you will be successfully activating the iMessage, and this waiting for activation, the blur, the gray color icon will disappear completely and you will see something similar to this. Only the terms and policies about the iMessage will be displayed and there will be no waiting for activation under iMessage or FaceTime. So once that step is done, you won't be seeing this, your network provider may charge for SMS messages used to activate iCloud and prompt, and you can continue using your device without any worries about that the prompt will appear again and again. So I hope this information helped you to fix the problem that you were facing about the iCloud activation error prompt on your iPhone. For more useful iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and have a wonderful day.